Homo means same. Homo means same. Okay. And that is what is phase.
Same.
Phase. And
Same phase.
different phase.
Different phase. Sir, phase in a sense over here?
Means phase means what? That is all the components, solid, liquid, gas. Phase means solid, liquid. Okay.
Means like over there it will be only gas or it will be only liquid.
Yes, yes,
Hetero,
yes.
it will be gas with liquid, solid with liquid, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
If all the components are in same phase, okay, same phase of the reaction,
Yes, sir.
then it is said to be, then it is known as homogeneous.
Then it is only.
Homogeneous.
Okay.
Homogeneous means what is the meaning of this, Janab, when you are talking about this one? All means that is reaction is having two things. What are the two things are there? One is the reactant. One is the reactant that is going to react. Another is product. If both are
Yes.
in same phase, either solid, they should be either solid or that can be the liquid, okay, or can be liquid or they can be gas. If they are the same, either solid or liquid or gas, then this is said to be homogeneous. And if they are saying if any of the component, okay, any of the component, the reactant or
Yes, sir.
product, any of the components are, they are saying any of the components are, okay, different phase, any of the component of different phase, then they are said to be, then they are said to be, they are said to be what? Said to be heterogeneous equilibrium. Heterogeneous equilibrium means if that is all is having the same phase, so that is going to be homogeneous. But any one is missing, that is going to be what? Heterogeneous. Are you be able to understand this point?
Yes, sir.
Now let us try to understand with this one. Okay, with another example. With example. Okay. So types of equilibrium, I am studying types of equilibrium. So if I am talking about types of equilibrium, so one I told you homo, another I am telling you hetero. This is where one side is homo, another side I told you hetero. So let us see. I am having this one. You let me know what is there. CaO and it is plus CO2. Okay, combined to give CaCO3. This is the solid. This is the solid. This is the gas. Okay, tell me, this is homo or hetero? This is homo or hetero?
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, this is hetero.
Why?
Because there are two different phases present over there. Means like it's solid and gas.
Yeah. CaO and CaCO3. This is the solid and CO2 is gas. So that is two different phase now. Yes, yeah, no. This is going to
Yes,
be
sir.
two different phase. So two different phase means that is going to be what? Heterogeneous. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
Heterogeneous. Now go for this one. H2 is gas, Cl2 is gas, 2HCl is gas. What will be this one, Janab?
Gas, it will be, sir, homogeneous.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
So they are the homogeneous. These two are that
Yes,
is
sir.
said to be homogeneous. Homogeneous. Why Janas homogeneous? Because as all component, can write all components are in phase, gas phase. Will you be able to understand?
Yes, sir.
You want to write anything of it?
Yes, sir.
So this page also you want, or the next page only?
Sir, this page also and as well as next page also.
Write down this then. Are you writing, Janab?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Can I move next page?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Done?
No, sir. Sir, just one. Yeah, sir. Done.
Okay. So let us go in the next page one. Some example you please mention now. This one, heterogeneous equilibrium. Homogeneous equilibrium. Equilibrium. This is the example. And heterogeneous equilibrium. This
Yes,
is
sir.
also equilibrium. There are so many examples are there. It's not like that one. If you want to write, that is so many are there. Here one more I can write, that is SO2 gas plus
Yes.
SO2 gas plus O2 gas. One more example we can write here. SO2 gas plus O2 gas. Okay, take this is
Yes, sir.
two molecule. So reversibly it is giving that is 2SO3 gas. You can count everything is same. This is gas, gas, gas. So it is again going to be what? Homogeneous. Yes, yeah, no?
Yes, sir.
Did you write this one example?
Yes, sir.
Example over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it audible, na Janab? Any problem in listening you?
No, sir.
Okay. Now let us go for the next one. What is this next one? Active mass. Already I told you, but again I am telling you, it's some numerical you do. Active mass. So if you are going active mass, Janab, I told you molar concentration. This is what is known as molar concentration is also known as active mass, molar concentration. Or that is what I told you, moles per liter. Moles per liter. So this is also known as what? Active mass. Equal to, this will be what they are, Janab, that is square bracket. This square bracket is known as what, Janab, that is active mass. Are you be able to understand this one?
Yes, sir.
So active mass means what, Janab? Active mass. Active mass, if I am writing, that is active mass equal to moles, okay, divided by what? Volume in liter. Volume in liter, right? So I'm giving you the one question, you solve this question. Okay. What the
Yes,
question
sir,
is
sure.
here? 8.5. Here is 8.5 gram of NH3. 8.5 NH3 dissolve in what is going to dissolve? Dissolve in 4 liter. Dissolve in 4 liter aqueous solution. Aqueous solution.
Yes,
Dissolve
sir.
in 4 liter aqueous solution. Calculate active mass. Calculate active mass. Yes, Yana. They are asking the
Yes.
active mass, but what they have given, Janab, here that is mass is given, mass, right? So how can you be able to do this type of problem? Can you please tell me how to calculate number of moles? What is formula to calculate number of moles?
Sir, number of reactants equals to number of product.
Number of moles is equal to given mass upon what, Janab? Molar mass. Given mass upon
Yes.
molar mass, right? Given mass upon molar mass. And now you see how much given mass is there. You can check in the book. How much mass is there? Given mass is there in the here you see given mass is 5 gram, 8.5 gram. I am mentioning 8.5 gram. Okay. Molar mass. Molar mass, Janab, here I am writing molar mass. If you are writing molar mass, so molar mass is equal to sum of atomic mass. Sum of atomic mass. Sum of atomic mass. So sum of atomic mass. So ammonia, that is we are having this one ammonia. So that is what are N atomic mass is 14 plus 3 into atomic mass of hydrogen. So how much you are having, that is 14 plus 3 into 1. So how much will come? 17 gram. Okay, Anna?
Yes, sir.
17 gram. Gram to gram cancel out. So how much? 7, 5 0, 0.5 mole. This will come.
Yes, sir.
0.5 mole. Now see, active mass is equal to, you know, active mass. So writing active mass. So active mass is equal to what? Moles upon volume in liter. Volume in liter. How much active mass is there, Janab? You see active moles, how many moles calculated? 0.5 moles. I am plugging this value
Yes, sir.
0.5. Volume, how much
Yes,
is
sir.
given here? Dissolving volume. So divided by 4. Now if you are dividing 4 by 0.5, 0.15 moles per liter.
Yes, sir.
This is the active mass. Can you be able to understand this?
Sir, once more, can you please explain?
Which one?
Given mass by molar mass. Sir, once more, please.
So number of mole, this is the formula, Janab. You may be knowing 10th standard or 10th standard. Number of mole is equal to given mass upon molar.
Given by molar mass. Yes, sir.
Given mass is there how many gram? 8.5 gram. Molar mass is
Okay.
what? Sum of atomic mass. So how many atomic mass? What is
Sir,
mass?
sir, I'm not good in this molar mass, sir.
You are
Means like I don't know number of moles and all. I do not know.
molar mass. You don't know molar mass, na?
Yes, sir. I don't know. Means like number of moles of a means like a certain element or a compound. I do not know that.
Okay. Molar mass means what, Janab? Sum of atomic mass. Sum of atomic mass. Sum of atomic mass. Now, what sum of atomic mass, that is okay. But you should know now what is the, suppose we are having that is element. I am writing one side element, another side I am writing the atomic mass. So here is element and you need to memorize atomic mass. Atomic mass. So what are the element are, suppose I am writing here, what are the element are there? Hydrogen, helium, lithium, sodium, potassium. Don't go in this way, it will be problem. Hydrogen, helium, Then it will come lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, neon, sodium, magnesium. Okay. Firstly, you try. So atomic mass is written on the top of right side of molecule. So here is 1.
Yes.
It is already written 1. So atomic mass is 1. Helium it is written 4.
Yes.
So atomic mass is 4. Lithium it is written 7. So atomic mass is 7. Beryllium written 9. Atomic mass is going to be 9. Boron atomic
9.
mass is 11. We need to memorize. There is no rule for. Carbon atomic mass is 12. Nitrogen atomic mass is 14. Oxygen atomic mass is 16. Fluorine atomic
Yes.
mass is 18. Something 18 is there. Neon atomic mass is 20. Sodium is 23. Magnesium is 24. So atomic mass is generally twice of the atomic number. So hydrogen 1, helium 2, lithium 3. Beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6. So you can see here is very easy to memorize this one. 6 to the 12. Atomic number of hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. Carbon coming on the 6th number. So 6 to the 12. Very easy. Nitrogen coming on 7. So 7 to the 14. Very easy. Okay, oxygen
Yes.
coming 8, 8 to the 16, very easy. 20, 10, 20, 11, 23, 12, 24. So you memorizing these, these, and these, very easy. They are the doubling up. Just double this also. Somewhere you need to memorize. Okay, so now see. Molar mass means sum of atomic mass. Okay, element mass, they are the atoms also. You can write elements means atom. So see molar mass, Janab, if I am talking molar mass of NH3, molar mass of what? NH3. So how many nitrogen is there? One nitrogen. Mass of one nitrogen plus 3 into
Yes.
mass of one hydrogen. Mass of one hydrogen. Mass of one hydrogen. Right. Mass of
Hydrogen. Yes.
hydrogen. So Janab, mass of nitrogen is how many there? You see here, how many are there? Yes or no? Mass of nitrogen is how much? 14. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And how many hydrogen are there? 3. So I am mentioning here 3. Mass of hydrogen, how much, Janab? Mass of hydrogen? 1.
1, sir.
1. So total lab, how many are coming? 14 and 3 1 ja 3. So how much will come? That is 17 gram. Yes, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now you calculate mass of CO2. Okay, this firstly you write down this one, otherwise you will be confused. I am giving you the question you need to solve. Calculate
Yes, sir.
molar mass of CO2. Molar mass of CO2. Option I am giving you A number 22 gram per mole. Answer is gram per mole. Gram per mole. B number option is there 44 gram per mole. Number option 48 gram per mole. D number option none. So solve and tell me, Janab, molar mass of CO2. Are you solving this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
CO2.
Yes.
Carbon.
Dioxide.
Carbon 12 plus O is 16. Okay, 16 into 2.
12 plus 16 is 32.
Yes, sir.
314.
44.
So
Option B,
is
sir.
correct.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Understood,
Yes,
Jana?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, understood.
Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
See, I am giving you some little difficult question. Firstly, you try to solve, then we will move. Okay. So here
Yes,
you
sir.
are writing some more one. After magnesium, it will come magnesium. Then it is aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, okay, potassium, calcium. So aluminum is 13, this is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So aluminum is how much? 27 gram per mole. If your silicon
No.
is there, silicon is how much atomic mass is there? 28 is there, no? 14 to the 28. That is 28. Phosphorus is 31. You need to memorize this one. Sulfur is 32. Chlorine is 35.5. You need to memorize. Okay, argon is how much? That is 40. Argon mass is 40. Potassium mass is again 40. Potassium is little 39, you can say. Potassium is
Yes, sir.
39. 39. And chlorine, if calcium is 40. They both are having same, they are isotope. So I am asking, what is molar mass of H2SO4? What is question? What is molar mass of H2SO4? Molar mass of what? H2SO4. This is the question. What is molar mass of H2SO4? 68 gram per mole. This is option number 1. 63 gram per mole. Okay. 49 gram per mole. And last one is none.
Yes, sir.
Calculate the molar mass of H2SO4.
H2SO4. H2 means 1 into 1. S means S is 32.
Hmm.
O is 16 into 4.
Hmm.
So wait, sir. H2 means 33. Total 33 into 16 into 4. Wait, sir. Just 1 minute.
Yes.
16 into 4, which is 64. 64 plus 33. 97, sir.
No.
No.
2 hydrogen are there, Janab. 2 hydrogen.
Okay, sorry, sir. 98. Not
Yeah,
97.
98 gram per mole.
Yeah.
This is correct one. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
One more question I am giving you. Calculate, question is there. Calculate molar mass of HNO3. Okay, answer is there.
Yes.
63, 98, 49, 44.
Yes, sir. Calculate the molar mass of HNO3. H is 1, N is 14. 1 plus 14, which is 15. Okay, so 1 plus 14, which is 15. Then HNO3, 16 into 3, which is 48. 48 plus N was 15. Okay, total 15 plus 15. Sir, it is 63.
63.
Option A.
See, I think 65 is coming or what? One option,
Yes, sir.
right. One option is 65 is there. So
Yeah.
14 na? 14 na? Here is 14. This is 14. So you are saying the correct correct answer. It is coming
Yes,
60
sir.
gram per mole. Understood how to calculate molar mass?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you want to write anything of it?
Yes.
If you want to write, please write down.
Yes, I'm writing it.
Ah, yes.
क्या है टेस्ट कराए तो वाले को मालूम पड़ रहा है हुआ टेस्ट नहीं कराया और थोड़ा बहुत हुआ तो आया क्या
Over Janab.
तो भी नहीं मालूम पड़ रहा था
1 minute, sir.
Ah, yes.
हमारी बिल्डिंग में आस-पड़ोस पूरा हुआ
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Acha Janab, what other problem? What you said, that is the molar mass is over. Then
Yes, sir. Molar mass means like, sir, basically in an element how many moles and Avogadro, not Avogadro number, sir. Means like how to calculate molecules. Means like basically there are problems there, right? One molecule of this equal to how many moles of that. All those type of problems I have. Means like I'm facing a problem with there.
so can I teach you number of calculation of number of moles also?
Sir, when it comes, you can teach that time.
So here number of
Yes,
moles
sir.
equal
Now
to
active mass.
given mass upon molar mass. Given mass is 8.5 gram. Molar mass already
Yes.
ammonia is there. So ammonia,
Yes, sir.
that is 1 nitrogen, 3 hydrogen. 14, 3 into 1. So 17 gram. I place the value 8.5 upon 17, it is coming 0.5. Then they are asking, they are saying 8.5 gram of ammonia dissolved in 4 liter of aqueous solution. Calculate active mass. Active mass is equal to what? Moles upon volume in liter. So 0.5 mole upon 4 liter, because here they gave one. So it is answer is what? 0.125 mole per liter. Are you be able to understand?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. I'm giving you one more problem, you solve by your own. Okay.
Yes.
Calculate the
Yes, sir. Calculate the
active mass or molar concentration. Active mass or molar concentration. Active mass or molar concentration
molar concentration.
64 gram of SO2 in 4 liter container. Right. Option they have given Janab, A number option, that is 2. Option number B have given 1. C is 5. D
Yes,
is
sir.
0.25.
Means like, sir, calculate the active mass of molar concentration of 64 gram of SO2 in 4 liter of a container. Okay.
So whether active mass or the molar concentration, both are same. Active mass and molar concentration are both are the same. So Janab, how can you do? Please see here. Step number 1, In the step number 1, we need to calculate number of mole. Calculate number of moles. Okay. Step number 2, how we will do, student Janab? That is active mass we need to calculate now. Active mass is equal to moles upon what we write, that is liter. Okay. So calculate number of moles. What is formula, student? Number of mole is equal to what? What formula we will apply, Janab? Given mass upon
Liter.
molar mass.
Molar mass. Okay.
So how
Okay,
many
sir.
given mass is there? How many?
Sir, given mass is 64. Molar mass of SO2 is 32 into 16. Oh, wait. 32 into 16. No. 32 plus 16 into 2, right?
Hmm.
Wait, sir. 32 plus 16 into 2 will give you 64. Okay. So, sir, 4 liter. Okay, yeah, sir, it's given. So, first step is not required. 64 by number of liters. 64 by 4 we have to do.
So 64 by 64, this is 1 mole, Janab. It is coming 1 mole. So moles we calculated. Now we are putting in the active mass. Active mass is equal to number of mole. That is number of moles divided
Number
by
of
volume in liter. Volume in liter. So number of mole you got
Okay.
1 moles. Volume in liter, how many liter are there? 4 liter. So 1 by
1 by 4
liter. So what
liter.
will come, Janab? 4, if you are divide 1 by 4, na? So 4 to ja 8. Okay.
0.025.
0.25
0.25. Yeah. Sorry.
mole per liter. Moles per liter. This is our answer.
Yes, sir.
Can you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. So, can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whenever you want to write, please let me know, na?
Yes, sir. And let you know.
Now, that is equilibrium constant. Already I told you, equilibrium constant. Okay, equilibrium constant, I told you, and law of mass action also I told you, law of mass action. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am not telling you in detail. So in two form I am telling you. In term of molar concentration. In term of molar concentration. In term of molar concentration
Molar concentration.
or active mass. Active mass. And another
Yes,
is there. What is there? In term of what? In term of what, Janab? In term of partial pressure. In term of partial
partial pressure.
pressure. Okay. So how
Yes,
the
sir.
concepts are there? Both are having the similar concept. One I already told you, but again I am telling you. Okay. The ratio of
Yes, sir.
product of what they are saying,
Ratio.
product of molar concentration of product, molar concentration of product, product raised to power coefficient. You can check last class notes. Raised to power coefficient.
Yes, sir.
Power coefficient with product of molar
Yes, sir.
concentration of reactant. Product of molar concentration of reactant. Raised to power coefficient. Raised to power coefficient. Coefficient. Now this is what the case is. In term of molar concentration. So suppose if I am having a mole of A plus B mole of B, then it is giving C mole of C plus D mole of D. So how can you write that is the Kc, Janab? How can you write Kc? That is the
Kc.
C and D are
Kc equal to C into D means like the coefficient, the ratio of the product of molar concentration of the product raised to the power of coefficient with the product. Okay, C and D by A to the power A to the power A and B to the power B.
this is what is the concept. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now in the another term we are going in the form of partial pressure. Okay, so how can you
Partial.
understand? Here,
Okay. This is in terms of molar concentration or active mass.
so in partial pressure, when pressure is given, so that is the ratio of
The ratio of
wait, coefficient what is what is it is known as what? Equilibrium constant is known as equilibrium constant. No, here it was there. Equilibrium constant. With handwriting,
yes,
you are not able to understand. You tell me. I will
yes,
write
I'll
again.
ask it.
Now the product of yeah, you write like this. Wait. The ratio. The definition is different. The ratio of product of product of partial pressure of product partial pressure of product raised to power coefficient coefficient with what they are saying, coefficient with no, product of, they are saying product of partial pressure of reactant. Little tough, partial pressure of reactant, but you will be able to understand. Partial pressure of reactant raised to
Yes, sir.
power coefficient raised to power coefficient
Yes, sir.
raised to power coefficient.
Yes, sir.
So, Janab, here partial pressure I am telling you. Suppose I am having A mole of A plus B mole of B, giving rise C mole of C plus D mole of D. So, Kp in term of partial pressure, equilibrium constant is Kp. In term of molar concentration, concentration is there, na? So, C for concentration, Kc. P for partial pressure, Kp. Okay, keep in mind. So, here you
Yes,
see,
sir.
Janab, so in term of Kp, so they are saying partial pressure of product. So that is partial pressure of product is what? Pc into what is there? Pd raised to power coefficient. So what is coefficient here? Coefficient is C or coefficient is small c and small d with
Yes, sir.
product of reactant, partial pressure of reactant. You know, so that is A. We will not put the square bracket here. We are not going to put the square bracket here. Why? Because it is in the partial pressure. So it will be PA. Power will be what, Janab? That is A. And PB. Power will be what, Janab? That is B.
B.
What the expression of
Okay, okay, sir.
AP, right? And KC already
Okay.
you understood. KP. So if you want to write, you can write, or you tell me if you
Yes,
want to
sir.
write.
Yes, sir, I want to.
Okay. This side you already knows. Already I told it so many times.
Yes, sir.
Here this we need to explain. The ratio of product of partial pressure of product raised to power coefficient with product of partial pressure of reactant raised to power coefficient. Write down, please.
Yes, sir, I'm writing, so just 1 minute.
Completed, Zainab?
Just 1 minute.
Write down, no problem.
The ratio of product of partial pressure of the product to the power coefficient of the product partial pressure. Yes, sir. Can you turn the page?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, can you give examples on this, please?
Yes. Giving it. That is what I need to tell. Okay. Question is here. Write KP and KC for following equation. Following equation. Both you need to write. What is there? N2, this is gas, plus 3H2, that is gas, reversible, that is they are saying 2NH3 gas.
Yes, sir.
So you need to write KC, also you need to write KP.
Sir, KC. Okay, yes, sir. I can say about KC. So N3,
Uh,
NH3.
hmm.
No, sir. N to the power 2.
The product firstly will write product here. So
Okay,
product
sir.
you
Okay,
are
sorry.
writing.
So
then after-
to NH3 to the power 2 by N to the power N to the power 2, N to the power 1, H to the power 3.
Yeah. This is. What about the KP? KP means partial pressure of NH3. Power we will write that is 2 divided by partial pressure of N2. PN2 power there is nothing is there means 1, and that is partial pressure of H2. Nothing is that is pressure 3. So KP expression will be this and KC will be this. Can you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Write down this please. Then Jana.
Yes, sir.
I am suffering with a problem. Can I erase now?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So I am giving you one problem. You need to solve that problem, right? Problem. SO2 reacts with O2
SO2 reacts with O2
to give SO3 at equilibrium. The partial pressure of each gas were found to be SO2 is equal to how much? 0.1 atm. O2
Yes, sir.
equal to 0.3 atm.
Yes.
SO3 is equal to 0.45 atm. One they have given. So they are asking that is Kp constant. They are saying now
Yes.
SO2 react with O2 to give SO3 at equilibrium. The partial pressure of each gas were found to be this one. Find Kp. Last one they are saying find Kp. So that is what then that
Yes,
is for the solution. How can you do solution? SO2 plus O2, it is giving what? It is giving SO3 balance. Here is oxygen is how much? You can multiply this by 2. So that is 6. So here also multiply by 2. 2 2 ja 4 2 6 3 2 ja 6 all balance. So they are asking the value Kp. How can you write? So that is P. This value are partial pressure of SO2, PO2, PSO3 they have given. So that will be what?
Yes, sir.
PSO3 power 2 divided by PSO2 power 2 and PO2 power nothing is there, so 1. So PSO3 value they have given how much? 0.45. 0.45 power 2 divided by PSO2 they have given how much? 0.1 power 2 into what they have given O2. O2 they have given 0.3. Solve.
Yes, sir.
The square is there 0.45 multiply by 0.45 divided by 0.1 into 0.1.
Yes, sir.
Calculate this one. Okay. So here how can you calculate? You can use your
Wait, sir. Sir, this is confusing. Wait, sir. SO3.
yes.
Okay. So, sir, the means P value is given, right? For SO3, SO2, and
Yes.
SO2. Okay, so we have to just calculate, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
This is the answer. Can you understand
Yes,
this
sir.
one?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
Try to understand. Can I erase?
1 minute, sir.
Can I erase?
1 minute.
Okay, right.
Yes, sudden.
Okay. So I am erasing this one. I am giving you one problem that you try to do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the reaction, they are saying in the reaction. This is the question. In the reaction, N2 gas plus O2 gas. Here we are saying QNO gas at 298 Kelvin. The partial pressure of gases PM is equal to 0.9 atm. Then they are saying PO2 0.2 atm, PM2 0.01 atm, respectively. Find equilibrium constant. Find equilibrium constant Kp. Equilibrium constant Kp.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, wait, it will be 0.9 by 0.3 into 0.1.
Tell me the final answer, Janab. Option I am giving you. Wow, 270, 280, 290, and 300. These are the options. PNO
Okay, sir.
divided by
PNO whole square by
PO2.
yes, sir. I'll do, sir.
Okay, please do.
0.9 to the power 2 by 0.3 into 0.01. Okay, sir. Wait, I'm saying. Sir, the answer will be 270.
270. Very good, very good. Correct answer. Super.
Yes, sir.
So it is coming 810 upon 3. So 8 to the 6. With the 8. Oh, unit not required. Unit is not required. So this is the 270. So you understood what Janab, that is Kp and Kc, you understood very well. Right?
Yes.
So one last question for today. Then we'll study. Can I give you the question? Will you do? I'm giving you the question, Janab. Okay. For the given reaction, C solid plus CO2 gas, it is giving that is 2CO gas. The partial pressure of CO2, the partial pressure of CO2 and CO gas is 2 and 4 atm respectively. Find Kp. Answer option they have given. A number 8, option B given 9, option C given 10, option D given 12. I am writing one note also. Note. For solid is component. For solid component, value is always taken for wall is always taken 1. Always taken 1. If anything is solid, So we have to take one. Like here, carbon solid is there now. For that, we will take one. Simple. The value of the solid is 1. If anything is solid is mentioned, its value will be 1. That keep in mind. Solid and liquid. For solid and liquid also we need to take 1. So if solid is there, or that is rule is there, liquid also that is 1. So
Yes,
what
sir.
write student? That is Kp we are going to calculate Kp. So will be that is PCO square divided by PC solid, okay, and that is PCO2. This is there. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
PCO, how much they have given, Janab? CO2 and CO there, na? CO2 value and
Yes, sir.
CO value. CO2 is 2 and CO is 4. They have given. So what will be there? CO value is 4, na? So that is 4 is square divided by C. Solid is there, na? Here solid. S for solid. So 1. CO2, how much is there?
Yes, sir.
CO2, 2. So solve is 4 into 4 divided by 2. So how much? 2 is 4. So 4 into 2. So it will come 8. So which is correct answer?
Sir, wait. 8 is the option A.
Option A. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Can I erase, Janab, or are you writing?
No, sir. Wait, sir, wait.
हो गया क्या?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what next heading is there. Relationship between. This is heading. Relationship between KP and KC. KP and KC. Relationship between KP and KC. So Janab, can we study this one tomorrow?
Yes, sure, sir.
Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow, Janab, tomorrow that is, are you available 7 or that is 7:30?
Sir, I'll let you know tomorrow, sir, because I'm not sure.
Okay. If it is 7, that is also good only. It will finish little early. Okay. So you can also take rest. So, okay, you inform accordingly. So we'll be studying the relationship between KP and KC tomorrow. Yes, yeah? Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Janab. Okay, okay. Bye, na? Bye.
Yes, sir.